Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to earn Panda Buy points in 2025. If you're a fan of Panda Buy, you know that points can unlock amazing rewards like discounts, exclusive items, and even free shipping. But how do you actually earn them? Let's break it down step by step, so you can start racking up those points right away. First off, the easiest way to earn points is through shopping. Every time you make a purchase on Panda Buy, you'll get points based on the amount you spend. For 2025, they've upped the game. Now, you earn 1 point for every dollar spent, and that's doubled during special events. So, if you're planning to buy those sneakers you've been eyeing, you're already on your way to earning rewards. Next, referrals are a goldmine. Share your unique referral link with friends, and when they make their first purchase, you'll both get a bonus of 500 points. It's a win-win. Just head to your account settings to find your link and start sharing it on social media or with your buddies. Don't forget about daily logins and activities. In 2025, Panda Buy has introduced a streak system where logging in every day gives you 50 points, and if you keep it up for a week, you get an extra 200 points bonus. Plus, writing product reviews or participating in community challenges can net you even more, up to 100 points per review. One more tip. Keep an eye on seasonal promotions. Panda Buy often runs point multipliers during holidays or big sales, so timing your purchases could double or triple your earnings. Remember, points don't expire, so accumulate them wisely. There you have it. Simple strategies to earn Panda Buy points in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your rewards grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite way to earn points. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.